Hey guys, I'm Dr. Robin Berzin. I'm the founder and CEO of Parsley Health. Today we are talking about one of my favorite morning rituals, which is my morning glory coffee. I do this as part of a practice called intermittent fasting. The whole point here is having energy in the morning, feeling full, having focus, and not necessarily feeling like you need to eat breakfast. Some organic drip coffee, coconut oil. I also add some pure MCT oil. And then I top it all off with a little bit of organic cinnamon. Super important to make sure the lid of your mixer is on tight. And then I put it on low. You really only need to blend it for 10 to 30 seconds max. And the purpose is to really blend the fat through the coffee, because if you just try to mix it up with a spoon, it's gonna clump and it's not gonna taste very good. Oh my gosh, so good. Try it at home and let us know what you think.